Mr. Pickles. Come on. Oh, Mr. Pickles. He's got dandelion. Come on.
He likes to tackle
Mr. Pickles. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
He looks bad.
You gonna play too?
Say, no.
Jimmy, your dog doesn't play. Huh? Doesn't play fast.
She does with the little one. She used to, but she doesn't have to worry about what I'm doing, and there's another dog getting my attention right now.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Mr. Pickles. He's like, sweet, another toy. This is the best place on earth for him.
It's Disneyland.
Disneyland. Come on. You got it. You got it. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Ready? Let's fetch. Oh, not the sinkhole.